Hello, my name is Catherine Murphy-Calusi. I'm an engineering director at Meyer Sound Laboratories in Berkeley, California. At ISE this year, we are introducing our new 2100-LFC. We know that we have had success in the past few years taking our new product ranges into the future. We decided to continue this with our new 2100. This year, we have an all-new Class D amplifier with a single 21-inch load driver. This will take our existing 1100 LFC into the future with some of the lessons we have learned from our last year's Panther release. It will come with two parallel inputs, both live at the speaker, analog XLR for our existing infrastructure users, and all new Milan certified AVB. Like Panther, we will have wink lights in the front and the back, so when connected to our Nebra software, you can wink the speaker to know where it is in the air. Its current dimensions will allow it to fit very nicely in both a North American and European trucks, and we have saved about 50 US pounds from the 1100. We expect it to be in the same performance class as the 1100, and at a more compact, lighter weight, we expect that it will blow your socks off. For more, please visit meyersound.com.